Did you know why many of the world's biggest buyers still rely on Malaysian rubber gloves production facilities despite the fierce competition? Here are the top 3 reasons. First, as the market leader, Malaysia has been innovating on every part of the value chain to produce gloves at an accelerated rate, with powerful economies of scale while still maintaining the highest of safety standards. Second, Malaysia has a strong track record of high-quality assurance standards. Local manufacturers have obtained all the necessary accreditations to be compliant with global safety standards. When you buy gloves from Malaysia, you know that you're getting the best of the best. Third, glove manufacturing companies in Malaysia have long enjoyed market domination, and so the scale at which they can produce gloves is immense, providing a real advantage to service large order sizes. Here at Nastah, we are very proud to be a part of the Malaysia rubber gloves industry. If you would like to discuss working with us, be sure to send your inquiry to sales@nastah.com.my or visit www.nastah.com.my. We can't wait to meet you.